Hello guys, welcome back to another heavy rain video. So last time we sort of stopped off here and I played a little bit, only like a little tiny bit, because I just got bored one night and just like, let's play this game a little bit more so I don't get stuck in the future. And yeah, I'll keep my mouth shut. I only played like 5 minutes of it though, so I didn't really get past this bit. I saw this bit and then,
I'd like to have a quick look at some shit
yeah,
Can you watch Jason?
because I made a new profile, so I sort of complete the first bit and got to this bit because I hadn't done it yet. And yeah, I don't know why I said I
We're not going anywhere,
played but didn't get stuck. I think I played a little bit of this. Yeah, I think I played a little bit of this and then, yeah. See, let's just jump straight in. He's just there like, mm-hmm. Oh, Jason's gone.
I'll bet he's gone to see the clown.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so he's gone. Oh, there he is. Yeah, there's the clown.
Jason.
At least you can see him, so that's, you know, always a good thing. Like, a parent's worst nightmare is when a child runs off. Obviously in somewhere busy like this, because it is.
Jason.
It's like, Jason! There we go.
You really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
It's like, yay!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which
Keith.
balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
As always,
There you
puts
go.
the odd one out. Oh, is that playing the harp without
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Oh, he's just buggered off, isn't he?
Keep the change.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Oh, he's buggered off, isn't he?
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon, I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Oh
Stay
dear, this is not
here.
going to be good, is
I'll
it?
go get him. Be right back.
This is not going to be good.
Jason!
Oh
Jason!
dear.
Jason!
I feel like if you're in doubt, always go to the
Jason!
exit of the store, because at least then you can sort of also call security.
Jason!
There we go. Let's look down here. Yeah, there he is. We don't know where his balloon
Wait,
is.
I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd.
Move. There we go.
Jason!
Jason. 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 Yeah, so that's
Jason!
okay. So what's happened last time since, you know, recording? Well, everyone thought England was going to win the World Cup, then they lost, and I was laughing at everybody. That was pretty funny. There we go.
Jason! Jason!
Jason! Jason! Jason! There he is. Here we are.
Jason!
Jason, God,
He's gonna get himself killed one day, you know that? Oh dear. Now one of these days, he's gonna run off and he's gonna get hit by a car or something. Where is he?
Jason!
You know what I mean? Like, he's just gonna run off in front of a car or something.
Jason!
And we're not gonna see. And then, yeah.
Jason! Jason!
Wait, who's that?
Jason!
Oh.
Shit!
There he is.
Dad!
Oh, he looks mad. Oh no. Oh no, I see what's happening. Oh no. I was. Oh no. Oh damn. Oh, he dead. Oh, he dead. Oh no. This took a turn. There goes this balloon. There's the ambulance. He's definitely dead. Oh my god. This story got a whole lot better. I'm a terrible person for saying that. Oh wow. Okay, so I just cut the cutscene now because yeah, it's just like the intro sort of thing. It's still sort of going now, but you know, it's so I think it said 2 years later. I think, I don't know.
Hi, Sean.
My dad.
Oh. Yeah, I think it's 2 years later. This is 2 years after that kid died, after Jason died. After we were running around the mall with a, no, umbrella, balloon, picking up random kids and watching our son get hit by a car. There you go, got to adjust that mirror, keep sure this kid doesn't die, and let's pull it into automatic, and there we go. We are off. I'm not even pressing anything. The car's just driving by itself. Must be one of them smart cars. Not really a smart car, but you know, self-driving cars. Smart cars are completely different. I mean, they can't. I mean, you get hit by one of them. I mean, a pigeon flies into it and you'll dent your car. Probably the door will come off. No, and I just actually went on my phone because just get through this bit, and I just opened the camera and saw my face. That's always good. Always good. But the phone didn't shatter, so you know, I must be beautiful. Okay, let's go in this. Just let them play some games. There we are. Okay, so that looks like a schedule over there. So I'm going to... Wait, what's the time now? 20 to 5. And let's look at this. 4:30 snack, so I'm going to get my snack. As you know, we need to get in that snack.
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
This... What's this? Yeah, it's better than a packet of crisps. I mean, he's got food in a few hours. We don't want to starve him.
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay, so... Not much time's passed. Let's look around the house a little bit. Just put the washing machine on. That's always a good idea to do now, rather than like 10 o'clock at night. Okay, let's just put that teddy there. I'm gonna go upstairs and sort of look around. No, get to know the house. And then we'll check the post, because that's always a good idea. So it looks like a bedroom in there, And then this, yeah, obviously a bathroom of sorts. Just wash his hands because he touched a child. Now we've got to wash them hands. Perfect, and then... Yeah, this is good. I I think, isn't he like an architect type thing? Isn't he? Might be. I mean, he drew plans for a building, so that other room might be his little office area. Let's check the time. We're gonna try to be good parents. Okay, it's 20 past. I'm just gonna.
Grease has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother.
Yeah, and then.
Sean hasn't done his homework yet. It's still early. We'll see about the homework later.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, what did it say on here? I'm pretty sure it said about 6. Yeah, 6 o'clock homework. So let's, keep that in mind. We've got to stick to that close schedule. Now this, another toilet. This is so many toilets in this house, and it's just him living here. And if I'd probably redecorate it. And, oh, he's found something. The Origami Killer strikes again. Oh, that sounds like a cool name. 7th victim identified. Okay, that text is, I don't know what the text is doing. You see to react like he. Okay, before I do anything, I'm checking the post because the post is important. Some random magazines, a letter. We've got to pop this bad boy open. So, I'm gonna guess Grace and him got divorced because Jason died. Although the kid really ran in front of the car.
All their children were gone. They searched and called for them. They cried and begged. But it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Is that a book? Or is that just a really, really dark, morbid poem? Let's do his homework.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Alright, I'll come back a little later.
Okay, it's later now. It's 2 minutes later.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
No thanks, I'm not hungry yet.
You've got a cold coming on.
Yes, he has.
I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
I think there's some medicine in the bathroom cabinet.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer.
No, you're
We'll
not
do it
watching
later,
TV.
Okay?
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
And by that, I'm not gonna help him. I'm not gonna help him at all. I'm gonna scour this bathroom for some meds, for some pills. There we go. Got some bathroom cupboard. Let's get the medicine. Perfect. I mean, personally, I'd keep it downstairs because, it's so much easier. Or I'd keep some in both floors, so you'd have to keep coming upstairs using effort, just to get a tablet, just a little pill. Oh good, he's doing his homework, that's good. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm just gonna watch him. Okay, that's enough watching a child for now.
It's getting dark. Better turn on the light.
Yes, you better. But where's the light? Where's the switch? And there's a light here. Okay, let's go over here, that's it. Perfect.
Dad, I finished. Can I go watch TV?
Yeah, you can. Straight after you had this tablet and have your food, you go into bed. So,
Pretty good.
yeah.
Looks like you're done. Off you go.
It's not escaping my grasp yet.
It's dinner time. I'd better make something for Sean.
Better go in the fridge. For some weird reason it's not working. The whole kitchen's just deactivated itself. And I'm going in here. Okay, let's turn the light on. See, it's done now, so now you can retake it out if you want to. Yeah, for some weird reason, I simply can't. The cabinets aren't working, the fridge isn't working. Okay, we've got the fridge working. Let's get some of that juice in me. Let's go. No. Okay. Don't close the fridge. You know what? I'm just gonna let him starve. You know what? Don't mind.
Come to think of it, if he's not asking for anything, it must be because he's not hungry.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
I've had that in my hand for hours.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready.
Perfect. There we go. Pizza. When in doubt, go for pizza. You're putting it in the microwave. Are you serious? That is sacrilege. You've got to put a pizza in the oven and cook it. That is so disrespectful. That was quick. Like 2 seconds and it's warm. Better taste nice. Perfect. Let's get him cutting. Oh, it's green inside. It shouldn't be eating that.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
One slice of
I'm
pizza.
coming.
Are you kidding me? Let's turn that off. Finally, we are free of the demons. I was gonna grab some of this. Perfect. Juggling apples.
Hey Dad, I didn't know you could juggle.
I haven't tried it in a long time.
Do you think you could teach me too?
Sure. I'll show you if you like.
No, he's got to go to bed. There we go. Okay, he's just watching his child without blinking. I mean, what's the time? Oh, it's not even 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'll be fine. What's the worst that can happen? Except he wakes up and he's like a teenager. Without being he acts like a teenager. What's the worst? There we go. So we've actually accomplished parenthood. There we go. I know we killed off one kid, but you know, we still got another one. So now that's all that matters. We can now focus on one child rather than two. Oh, and he's doing his washing up. Oh, this is perfect. You gotta finish. Okay, no, he's just putting in there. Don't you dare turn on that TV, kid. No. Wow. That is so rude.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
Ah, this kid's just that, huh?
So, you wanna...
Yeah, let's talk to him for a bit. Okay, we clearly can't talk to him when we're sitting down.
How are things at school? Is your teacher
Okay.
nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Now,
No.
that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
Yeah, and I'm gonna turn this weird contraction of advert program thing. And I should probably turn some lights on, shouldn't I? Because it's so dark up there. Okay. I'm just gonna follow him. So while he's in there, I'm going to turn his light on. There we go. Perfect. And I'm going to actually prep his room. So I can just get him straight to sleep. See, there we go. This is perfect. Oh. Lovely! Oh dear. Oh, and he's right there. Run. His kid's got, I don't know what's wrong with him, but you know. Say goodnight to it, you know. Gotta say goodnight to the kid.
Good night, Sean.
Otherwise he'll never sleep.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad!
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
All right, I'll...
You know what?
look
We've already
around and see if I
disappointed him
can
by
find
killing
it.
his brother. We got to at least make him happy. But first of all, I'm just going to close my curtains. Because you know, might as well close mine too while we're at it. And then, okay.
Sean wants his teddy.
I'm-
He must have left
yeah.
it lying around here somewhere.
Wait, we saw one in the
It was in
Yeah,
the laundry
laundry
room
room.
the last time I saw it.
don't know. He has not been in there for the entire night, so it must have just walked in by itself. So no, that's normal. Toys walk coming to life, and teddies and everything. Reminds me of Toy Story. So yeah, let's deliver this teddy to him. Get him up there. Get him to sleep. Maybe kill him in his sleep as well. You know, just basic stuff. And yeah, they will have no kids to worry about, which would be such a shame. There you go. Here's your bear. Here's your rabbit, bear, hamster, whatever it is.
Thanks, Dad.
Yes, we're putting the demon to sleep.
Good night, Sean.
Night. Dad,
Yeah?
why do you look so sad?
Let's see, because 2 years ago I killed our Sid. Sid? I killed our kid.
Back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good, we've brainwashed him, it works. Let's tuck him in quickly. And we gotta tuck him in so he doesn't wake up in the middle of the night. The boogie monster's, you know, clawing at his feet, and he wakes up like. There we go. Let's make sure he's all peaceful in his room. Let's close this door. We don't want to wake him. We don't want to wake him. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to end this here. Oh, okay. Okay. This is trippy. Is he suffering from post-traumatic stress? PTSD? Trauma? I mean, he did sort of jump in front of the car and sort of kill his own kid, you know. Well, the kid ran in front of the car and he tried to block it, and yeah. And he's in the street somehow. And is that Norigami? It is. Oh, I think he's the killer. I think this guy's actually the killer. This is great. Oh, I want to go see some bodies. I mean, not okay. Carnaby Corner North. I have to remember that. So now I'm going to end it here. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. And oh, that's a nice face. And I'll see you next time. See ya.